be able to record this particular session. Your precondition should.
One second. Can you start once again? I will write it. I'll note on it.
Okay, the
sorry.
scenario
Or
could.
else you can record this session. Right.
Okay, the
Okay.
scenario can
Yeah,
be.
I'm doing Chandrika.
Okay, the scenario can be that testing the recording option functionality in the Zoom. Testing the recording functionality in the Zoom is a test scenario. Your test case is the participant should be, as a XYZ participant, should be able to record the Zoom session. Your precondition should be, first, the participant should have been received an invite. Right? Without even receiving an invite, how would you would record the session? You cannot, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. First, you should have received the session. Second point, the host should allow you into the meeting. The third one is, after he allows, he should also give an access to the participant to record. That means the participant should have the access to record the session. Right? These are all the preconditions.
Okay.
Now I'm just assuming from your case, we can write in any way. Right? That is a precondition. Steps. In these three conditions, you are already inside the Zoom call and you have the access also. You are writing in the preconditions, right? You should first of you have the link, you are inside, you are allowed inside, and you also have the access. So the preconditions means what? You already have this in place. So from there you need to take the steps. So assuming that Sai is already part of the Zoom call and you also have the access to record. Step 1. Okay, he should be able to see the recording option. At where is the recording option?
Right side, bottom.
Where is the recording option?
On
So
the
recording
screen.
option should be in the menu, right? So you have 3 dots. You need to navigate the person to test it. We don't know where is the record option.
Okay.
Step 1, first click on the 3 dots, more. Correct? Am I talking right?
Yes.
So if you
Got
see,
it.
let me share my
We
screen.
have recording button directly here in Zoom.
Down.
Okay, for you, if you see for me, I will share you something. Wait.
I mean, whatever the things we are doing, each and
See,
every
that is what
step of
you need to be very conscious.
exactly, manually what we are doing actually.
So are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
So if you see what option I have, you have a record option directly. For me, where it is?
Okay.
So step 1 is that you need to, first step 1 is that you're already part of this session. Prerequisites.
Yes.
You're already logged into Zoom and you have an access. First step is what? You need to click on more options and choose the chat option. Step 2. Sorry, record option.
Record. Yeah.
Step 2. Then what happens if I click on, let me see. Okay. If in case right now it is prompting me to ask permissions from the host, right? Our prerequisite says you already have a permission, right? You should be able to record.
Yes.
Okay. Maybe what option, I don't know what the message will assume that you, once you click on it, it should say, okay, your session is recording. Assume that the message is shown there. Okay. The steps part is done. The step 1, what it says, you need to click on the more option, the 3 dots at the right bottom corner in the menu, right?
Yes.
Are you guys able to connect to me? Are you able to understand what I'm talking about?
Yes, yes.
The step one is you need to say you have these 3 dots, more option at the right bottom, okay, in the menu, and choose the option called record. And once you click on the record, what you will have. So once you click on the record should start, right? So
Yes.
here, if you see what is the expected result, the record should start. Recording should start. And how do you verify it? There should be some symbol here, right? Do you see here my screen where I'm trying to share my cursor?
Yes.
You are
Yes.
okay.
Recording.
Shared screen. You are recording. There is a red bulb blinking. Even in the chart also there is a red bulb.
Yes.
Okay. So what your test case should be is you can take any one test case saying that once you record, you need to make sure that a red bulb is switched on in some place, right?
Okay.
The next case could be the same scenario. The steps might differ. Okay. You need not, once you're already there, you need not press on the more option. If you see here, Alt R. This is a different test case. Maybe the test case is record the session using shortcut key.
Yeah.
Are you understanding, guys?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
See, we are first wrote a test case saying that come to the more option and click on record. First up.
I mean, testing, I mean, these scenarios will be right whenever the, I mean, with my someone have sent me.
Your
the
voice
same
is a bit
asking-
low. Sai, yeah.
Right now, it is audible.
Yes, yes.
Okay. The thing is that whenever we do the things with from the, I mean, now if the scenario is like when we press the Alt R, we are not clicking the more, but
Yeah.
if we pressing the Alt R, how we can take it as a scenario? I mean, how we can test
Why
that?
can't it be a scenario?
Because one
No,
of
why
my,
can't
I
it
mean,
be a test case? Why can't it be a test case? That's what I'm telling you.
because
See, it
we are
can
not
be
doing
same.
manually. That the things, the manual, I mean, testing like what are the manually we are clicking, I mean, what
Bas, you tell me.
using cursor
Alt R, Alt R. How are you? How is this Alt R operation done? With your hands or with your mind?
with the hands.
That is manual, right?
Okay, okay, okay.
See, automation,
Got
some
it.
program will do something for you.
Okay.
Manually, you click, you press, you do a manual option. అంటే మీ చేతులారా మీరు చేసే పనిని మాన్యువల్ అంటారు. అంటే మాన్యువల్ అంటే ఒక మనిషి చేసే పని మాన్యువల్.
Got it.
Right? Your test scenario could be around test recording, Zoom recordings. Right? Your Zoom test case could be clicking the option in the more or using a shortcut key to record.
Okay.
And there might be one more test case, how to verify whether it is recording or not. One thing I could see here in the main page as like a dot here, or I go to chat, I could see who is recording here,
Yes.
or there could be some other way, I don't know.
Even you can
On the
see
top of the right side,
some red
on the
button.
top of
Yeah,
left side.
anything. What I'm saying is these all things could be a test case. You are writing a expected result. Once you do this Control Alt R, your record should start.
Yes.
How do you say it is started? You need to show some kind of validation, right? It is done. ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఒక కాల్ చేశారు, ప్రెస్ చేశారంటే మీకు ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ ఉంది మీ కాల్ మీ ఫోన్ లో టీక్ అని బీప్ సౌండ్ వస్తుంది. It confirms you that whatever you entered is actually success, right? You could also see it on your screen as well. There should be some kind of expected result to also be done. Guys, tell me if I'm going fast or if you're not able to understand. I'll try to
No, it's
go in a different way. So okay, it is clear for you. How about others?
Yes, Pramod.
Yeah, Pramod. Yeah. All good.
Okay, fantastic. So simple, guys. This is a very simple thing we all do on regular basis. Okay, everybody does this, but we are trying to make it more formal into a role or into a function of testing. Right? Now you know what is test case ID. Now you know what is test scenario. What could be a test case? Because if you see here in this example in the screen, see verify login Gmail of verify the login of Gmail. Okay, the same scenario might have multiple combinations here. He says green, red and green. He says positive, correct username, correct password. He will go inside successfully login. He will give correct username and wrong password. Okay, it should throw a message. He gives invalid username and correct password. It should again throw your a message. Are you guys able to connect to me?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay, tell me. Okay, Sai, as you said the scenario, right? You tell me one negative test case in the scenario what we spoke.
I mean, in my test case or like in the.
In your test case, in your recording test case.
Okay, negative means.
See, అంటే ఒక పని చేస్తే అది జరగాలి. అదే ఇంకొక పని చేస్తే అంటే ఒక తప్పైన పని చేస్తే అది జరగకూడదు కదా, అది కూడా వ్యాలిడ్ టెస్ట్ కేసే.
Clicking on the right instead of clicking on the more button with the right click or clicking on the using mouse button left, why can't we click on the right click? If we click the right click.
I'm sorry, can you repeat once again?
1 second. When we click on the more button, right? We use the mouse pointer with left or right. We use the left pointer.
Right click, right.
Okay, right click.
Okay. Instead of we click on the right button.
Okay, మీరు ఏమంటున్నారు? Just I'm trying to understand. What you say is normally you click with your left click.
Yes.
And you have right click. If
Yes.
I click on right click, I see these options. Left click, it's just a click. It is actually performing.
Start recording.
Instead of clicking this left click, you are saying I'm going to click on right click, huh?
Exactly.
Yeah, maybe if it is making sense, you could try to do it, but it doesn't. It could be. I'm not saying it is wrong. Okay, if you really think it is worth of doing it, you can try to do. Maybe I could say, okay, if I press Alt R, it is recording.
Okay, Alt T.
Right? Alt T, no. Or any other options you have, Alt H or blah 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 blah. Any other shortcuts? Is it recording?
Yes.
No,
Or how about Control R
no, it won't.
or Shift R?
It will work
Okay.
with only alt R.
Anything. Yeah. So you mean to say, what is your expected result if I press Control R?
It should be record.
If I press Control R, what should be my expected result?
Okay. It should not record.
Yes, that is your expected result. If it records, what happened?
That's an error.
It's a bug.
Actual.
Yes. Bug. Exactly. Right? So there could be something else. Assume you do not have an access to the recording option. I still go to more and click on record option. What should it prompt? What should it do? What is my
Like,
expected result here?
Host has to give. Host should have a permission. Some message should be
Yes,
displayed.
there should be an error message which should state that you don't have blah blah blah, whatever the message it shows. Right? What if it records even though you don't have permission?
It's a
It is
bug.
recording, right? No, it is recording, right?
Yeah, it is recording, but there.
Error ఏం లేదు కదండి. ఎర్రర్ లేదు,
It should
ఏమీ
not
లేదు.
as per our expectation, right? It should be some second.
Right. So there is some expected result. If some deviation from your, see, a lot of people will say, okay, there is no error message. It is running fine. Then why should we call it as a bug? So bug is not always an error or failure, right? It is always a mismatch from the expectation. If there's a requirement given, if it is deviation from any expected result, is called a bug. Is it clear, guys?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, you even can write this way. If you see my, this one is blinking. This bulb is blinking,
Yes.
right? You can write anything you want. Okay, now I'll step back. Maybe somebody else try to. Hope everybody is understanding what I'm talking.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, Pramod.
Perfect. Now
Yeah.
let us give an opportunity to somebody else to
Can
derive
I?
at the test case. Yes, yes. Go ahead. Who is next?
Yeah, okay, I will try.
Yeah.
I'll Yeah, first test case ID is Zoom schedule 01.
Okay.
Like test scenario is verify whether individual can schedule a Zoom meeting.
Okay.
My test case is scheduling a Zoom meeting for future date.
Okay. Base I said right. You need to mention your persona, meaning the user. Who should do? Who should do that?
Yeah. Whether the user can schedule a Zoom
No,
meeting for
as
future
a
date.
okay, as a Zoom user or as a Zoom host
Yeah.
or as a Zoom account holder. మీకు అర్థమవుతుందండి?
Yes,
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 మీరు
yes.
ఎవరు అనేది మీరు కనుక్కోవాలి ఫస్ట్. See,
yeah.
else what I will do if మీరు చెప్తారు as a user అంటారు. I am also user. How would I schedule your calendar?
Yeah,
I cannot,
exactly.
right? ఇప్పుడు నేను లాగిన్ అయితే ఇప్పుడు నేను మీ అకౌంట్ లోకి వెళ్ళి నేను మీటింగ్ షెడ్యూల్ చేయగలనా?
No.
సో యూ నీడ్ టు బి వెరీ స్పెసిఫిక్. Why you need to be specific? Because
Because
you might do it because if you have plenty of work to do, test cases to execute, how will you even remember things? Maybe you give it to somebody of your colleagues. They should also test it, right?
yes,
So
yes.
they need to know. Don't expect that everybody knows everything. Maybe in this scenario, maybe we are conscious. మన brains బాగా పనిచేస్తాయి ఎందుకంటే ఒకటి రెండు ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి. Right?
Right.
You should be specific. Okay, go ahead.
Next, the precondition is like first he has to get access to the Zoom
No, you did not.
application.
Oh, you said this one, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Kind of test
First,
case. Okay.
precondition is a Zoom host should have like access to the application, and he has to get account in the Zoom.
Very good. Okay.
Then the steps is like first like a Zoom host clicks on the schedule meeting. I mean, first he opens the Zoom application and
Okay.
click on the schedule meeting.
How
And
can he click directly? He should. Don't you think he should log in first? మీరు లాగిన్ అవ్వకుండానే ఓపెన్ చేసి షెడ్యూల్ చేసేయచ్చా?
I did
మీకు
not
జూమ్
do it
అప్లికేషన్ ఉందండి.
practically. No,
No,
I did not.
you need to visualize. That is why I am telling you. Why I took your Zoom means
Okay.
we are all using it, right? See,
Yeah,
once
the
you install,
The first thing is the Zoom host has to open the application. Then he has to log into his account. Then click on a schedule meeting and enter the time, date, and the topic what required data, and click on a schedule meeting.
okay.
Then the expected result is the meeting should be scheduled successfully.
Then how do you verify it successful or not?
Like it should display in his calendar.
Yes, you should also complete that, right?
Yeah.
First, you are saying that if you schedule it, it should throw a confirmation message saying your schedule is successful. Okay. And how do you verify? Either you can write another test case to verify it, or you can also mention in your expected result.
Expected result. Okay.
So you are doing a test. How do you verify it is happening or not?
Yeah,
You
verification.
can. right? He should not come to you, oh, Chandrika, I did not understand what is this test case. Do you think it's a good practice to come to you every time, or it is better to write some more detailed stuff here so that everybody can understand? ఇప్పుడు మనకు జూమ్ అప్లికేషన్ తెలుసండి,
Yeah.
తెలుసు. ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ దేర్ ఆర్ డిఫరెంట్ ఆప్షన్స్ ఇన్ నెట్ బ్యాంకింగ్. ఓకే,
Yes.
ఇప్పుడు హెచ్డిఎఫ్సి ఇండియా నెట్ బ్యాంకింగ్ ఇస్ డిఫరెంట్ ఫ్రమ్ హెచ్ఎస్బిసి ఇన్ హాంకాంగ్. there will be absolute different options. You cannot be same way. మన సెక్యూరిటీ లెవెల్స్ కూడా చాలా డిఫరెంట్ అక్కడ ఇక్కడ.
Okay.
Yes.
సో maybe we don't know what application you're going to test. Maybe you can't even expect who executes it will know everything.
Yeah.
You need to be very precise, clear and declare things here.
Okay.
Okay, ఇంకా మీరు అసలు మీరు తీసుకున్న సినారియో ఇట్ ఇస్ a lot of cases కదా.
Yeah.
మీరు
Many cases.
మెనీ కేసెస్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇప్పుడు క్యాలెండర్ ఉంది, ఆ క్యాలెండర్ బౌండరీ లెవెల్ అనాలిసిస్ చేయొచ్చు. అంటే నెగిటివ్ అంటే ప్రీవియస్ డేట్ ఇవ్వచ్చు,
Yeah.
అంటే పాత అంటే ప్రీవియస్ డేట్ ఇవ్వచ్చు.
Start time, end time same ఇవ్వచ్చు.
సేమ్ ఎనీ కేస్ అంటే యూ షుడ్ ట్రై కెన్ డూ ఆల్ పర్ముటేషన్ అండ్ కాంబినేషన్. దేర్ ఇస్ వాస్ట్ స్కోప్ దేర్.
Yes.
మేబీ 100 years తర్వాత స్కెడ్యూల్ చేయొచ్చు. స్కెడ్యూల్ అవుతుందా?
Yeah, next year, like, yeah.
100 years తర్వాత maybe I don't know what is your application limitations. It is
Exactly.
all up to your ఎంత బాగా మీరు టెస్ట్ కేసెస్ చేయగలరు అంటే అంత బాగా మీరు క్వాలిటీ టెస్ట్ చేయగలరు. యూ షుడ్ థింక్ యాజ్ యూజర్ అండ్ ట్రై టు మల్టిప్లై ద టెస్ట్ కేసెస్. ఓకే,
Okay.
క్లియర్? హౌ అబౌట్ who else wants to try?
Pramod, this call will end in 2 to 5 minutes. I think.
Okay, fine, no problem. Even I want to end it in 4 minutes, 9 o'clock, because I am also tired talking throughout day.
Just give me overview of what is the backlog.
Bug log. See, nothing
as
man. Bug. Okay, any deviation. See, there could be a different template for this. Okay, as like we have the test case template, there is also a bug template as well. అంటే ఇప్పుడు బగ్ అనేది మీరు డెవలపర్కి ఇవ్వాలి. మీరు ఎప్పుడు నా పక్కన కూర్చోరు కదా, ఓ జై మీరు డెవలపరా, ఇదండి ఇది ఫెయిల్ అయింది, ఇది నాకు అన్ని చేయాలి, ఇందువల్ల ఫెయిల్ అయిందని చెప్పి యూ షుడ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ టు మీ. హౌ వుడ్ ఐ నో? రైట్? ఆర్ యు అండర్స్టాండింగ్ మై పాయింట్, Sai?
Yes.
Yeah.
So there is another template, so it will not complete right away. There is another template for bugs.
What is the bug? Actually, what is backlog?
Okay, what is the bug first of all?
Defect and issue or issue.
I defect issue and మీరు
I mean,
different terminology
sorry. Whenever an deviate is coming from the expected result to the actual result is called a bug.
Okay, guys, terminology is also a bit important. Okay, any deviation అంటే ఏంటి? తేడాలు, కాన్ఫ్లిక్ట్స్ అంటే నీకు నాకు ఎలా తెలుగు అని చెప్పాలి, అంటే ఇప్పుడు రెండు యాపిల్స్ ఉన్నాయి, గ్రీన్ యాపిల్స్. ఓకే, ఒకటి వచ్చి మేబీ రెడ్గా ఉంది, ఒకటి గ్రీన్గా ఉంది, కానీ మీకు కావాల్సిన గ్రీన్ యాపిల్ కదా. సో ఆ రెండింటి మధ్య తేడాలు ఉంటే డీవియేషన్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్ రిజల్ట్ ఈజ్ ఎ బగ్. హౌ డు యూ లాగ్ ఎ బగ్ ఈజ్ ఎ సెపరేట్ కేస్. వీ నీడ్ టు టాక్ అబౌట్ ఇట్. అండ్ if there is a deviation here, what should be the status?
Okay.
Because it's a question. If there is a deviation between expected result and actual
Negative.
result,
Fail. Negative.
Negative.
Sorry. Fail. Not a negative. It's a fail.
Yes. Okay, guys. Okay, hope. I don't know whether how much time do we have now?
4 minutes.
4 minutes. Who else wants to go use this 4 minutes? After this, we'll connect tomorrow. Who wants to go or share your test case? No one?
I'll try, but
That's okay. That's what I said, right? Fail faster. మీరు ఫెయిల్ అయితేనే మీకు పాస్ అవడానికి ఏంటని అర్థం అవుతుంది. మీరు ఫెయిలే కాకుండా నేను ఓపెనే గాను, ఐ విల్ బి ఇన్సైడ్ ద షెల్ అంటే యూ విల్ నెవర్ సీ ద సక్సెస్.
Outside world.
Okay.
1 second.
Outside world.
Yeah, Shruti.
Yeah, Pramod.
No,
My
commit a
test
mistake. Come on.
My test case ID is Zoom meeting 001. Okay, my test scenario is I want to create a room for my team.
What room?
Zoom meeting room.
It's called Zoom. Are you talking about Zoom breakout rooms?
Not breakout rooms.
Okay,
It's
fine.
a link,
meeting room.
Zoom link.
Okay. You want to schedule a meeting
Yes, I want to schedule a meeting.
like this.
In
Like
the
this. మీరు
immediate.
ఇప్పుడు మాకు షేర్ చేశారు కదా.
Yes, the same thing I
Okay.
want to explain. My test
Okay.
case is I need to download a Zoom app first. I have to be like, I need a Zoom app. Test case. Sorry.
Okay,
That are preconditions. Sorry. Test case should be by clicking on create a room or schedule.
Who clicks?
Yeah, sorry. I mean user.
Okay, fine.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Test case should be clicking on Zoom meeting room, create a room. It should be create a link.
Okay.
My preconditions are like I need a Zoom app.
So you're testing from your mobile.
No. I need a laptop.
Okay.
I mean system or laptop.
No. You need not go that granular level. Then you can say I need a bench. On that I put a laptop. Not required. So you need to say first step is open a browser and enter zoom.com.
Yes.
Okay. Second step is you will see this Zoom application open and you will have a right top corner login button. Click on that login button and then
Yes.
enter your credentials.
Create
Login.
an account or login.
Yes.
Sorry to interrupt, Pramod.
No.
Tomorrow Chaitanya gave us a task, right, to take any of the application and write at least one test scenario and a test case, so that we have to, so we all will decide and we'll take any of the application and we'll do it.
Why should you decide? We are not trying to do anything. Take this Zoom scenario only.
Okay.
Right? You don't like Zoom, maybe you take any application. See, what I'm saying is you all need not to be same. Okay, go deep dive any application you like. Right? The intention here from Chris is you guys should learn how to write a test case. Okay, you should learn what is the template that needs to be used. Why are these columns used for? Right? That is more expected there.
Hello.